There's the collection from the snack machine and soda machine. Snack machine pulled in $38 and no coins. Our credit card machines ain't up yet. The soda machine did horrible. There was only like $4 in there. This location here, the barber shop, I give them 10% commission. So I give them $4. One of the coils on a snack machine is not working. It tells me it's unavailable. Then I reset it, and it tells me the price. Then when I put the dollar in, it gives me my change back. It returns it, and then it'll say it's not available. So I don't know. I gotta fix that. Probably have to do a motor test, but I'll have to do it when I have my bucket, because it's gonna drop one of everything out of each coil. So that's our little collection. $42. Hopefully next 2 weeks it'll be better. It's been kind of slow. My friend said at the barbershop. So we'll see. $42. Thank y'all for watching. What do you have to say?
Happy New Year's.
Happy New Year's.
It's New Year's Eve today, and it's raining.
Raining hard. And also, we got competition because the barbershop is connected to the liquor store. But our prices are better. Snacks to Stacks is better. Alright, yo. Have a good New Year. Complete your goals. Stay safe.